is Shay, and I'm coming to you from Midland County Public Libraries, and thank you for joining us for our story time this morning. So here at Storytime, we like to say hello to all of our friends. So the first song that we're going to sing is Clap and Sing Hello. We clap and sing hello, we clap and sing hello. With our friends at Storytime, we clap and sing hello. We stomp and sing hello, we stomp and sing hello. With our friends at Storytime, we stomp and sing hello. We wave and sing hello, we wave and sing hello. With our friends at Storytime, we wave and sing hello. Okay, so this is another crowd favorite here. So it's called Shake Your Sillies Out. And let's get us all loose and ready for story time. So everyone stand with me. We're gonna shake, shake, shake your sillies out. Shake, shake, shake your sillies out. Shake, shake, shake your sillies out and wiggle my waddles away. We're gonna stomp, stomp, stomp our sillies out. Stomp, stomp, stomp our sillies out. Stomp, stomp, stomp our sillies out and wiggle our waddles away. We're gonna clap, clap, clap our sillies out. Clap, clap, clap our sillies out. Clap, clap, clap our sillies out and wiggle our waddles away. We're gonna yawn, yawn, yawn our sillies out. Yawn, yawn, yawn our sillies out. Yawn, yawn, yawn our sillies out and wiggle our waddles away. Yay! This is Shay with Midland County Public Libraries, and today what I'll be reading is Click, Clack, Splish, Splash, which was written by Doreen Cronin and Betsy Lewin. One farmer sleeping. How do you sound when you sleep? 2 feet creeping. It's creeping. 3 buckets piled real high. 4 chickens standing by. Let's count the chickens. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 cows type a note. How many cows? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 cows. 6 goats load the boat. Here's the big green boat, and here's 6 goats. You got 1 goat, 2 goats, 3 goats, 4 goats, 5 goats, 6. 7 pigs lead the way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 sheep decide to stay. There's 8 sheep. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 mice leave a note on the door. And what does the note say? Gone fishing. All of the animals go to the shore. There's your cows, your mice, your pigs, your goats. There's chicken. 10 buckets lined up in a row with 10 fish ready to go. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we count down from 10. Say 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. One sleepy farmer rubs his eyes and wakes up to a fishy surprise. end. I can see a circle, a circle, a circle. I can see a circle. How about you? I can see a square, a square, a square. I can see a square. How about you? I can see a rectangle, a rectangle, a rectangle. I can see a rectangle. How about you? I can see a triangle, a triangle, a triangle. I can see a triangle. How about you? I can see a diamond, a diamond, a diamond. I can see a diamond. How about you? I can see a heart, a heart, a heart. I can see a heart. How about you? Dance your fingers up, dance your fingers down. Dance your fingers side to side, then dance them all around. Dance them on your shoulders, dance them on your head. Dance them on your tummy, then put them all to bed.